here today, spending the day at the Pacheco Pereda Vineyard located in Alto Agrelo.
In Alto Agrelo, exactly. We are now standing in our biggest vineyard of the company. It's in Alto Agrelo. One of the characteristics that have this vineyard is that is so big, and we have many different parcels that we can obtain different styles of wines. Now we're sitting in the
Lowest
part, exactly, that we have different texture of soil, different, and the toppest wine that goes in that direction.
Mm-hmm.
In this level,
oh no, I just wanted to add this. Here you have 860 acres of vineyard. It's gigantic.
Yeah, actually, this is the biggest organic vineyard in Mendoza that.
In the same plot.
In the same plot.
And probably one of the largest in the world.
I'm not sure.
Difficult to know.
Difficult to know it, but I'm pretty sure that even in Argentina, exactly.
Yeah. Awesome.
So, well, as I mentioned before, we have different altitudes, and if we go to the west, we're getting closer to the mountains. So it means that the more west that we go, the more rocky we found into the soil.
Mm-hmm.
So it means that each part of the vineyard we obtain different characteristics, different capacity, right? For example, in this area we obtain, especially Malbec, we have 230 hectares of Malbec here planted. And in this area we obtain Malbecs more with fresh fruit notes, soft tannin that makes a easy to drink wine. If we go to the highest part, that is Pacheco Pereda Vineyard comes from, we obtain a more structured wine. We have more ripe fruit notes, balsamic notes, and of course we have more concentration, and the tannins are ripe, are present, but are very stronger. So yeah.
Well, to add, we are in the feet of the Los Andes range. In the Del Plata range for us is very important that it's all hydrical erosion for the soils. For that, Hernan explained us, you have different plot here with different characteristics of the Malbec or the different varietals. And now we are in the Malbec plot, and we are in the middle of the winter, starting the spring, and we thinking 2 weeks.
Yeah, now we have one of the first steps of the vineyard that is start to cry. It's the
exactly.
Savior is the name. Start to fall off the plant. It means that the plant is start to work.
Yes. Here you have all drop irrigation.
Yeah, all the vineyard has drip irrigation. One of the characteristics that has this vineyard is that we can irrigate every block by separate, because each block needs a specific proportion of water. For example, in this case, then the soil is sandy and clay. We need less water than in the highest part, because in the highest part we have more rocky soils, and the water is more difficult to retain it. You know. So,
and this is all Malbec. When you planted this Malbec?
This Malbec was planted in 2008.
Okay.
Before of that, we did a conduction test to identify different layers of soil and to separate each type of soil in different blocks. So it means that we have 75 different blocks, and every block are completely different each other. It's an amazing vineyard.
Perfect. Which varietals do you have here?
Well, mostly it's Malbec. We have 230 hectares. Then we have Chardonnay, Cabernet Sauvignon, Cabernet Franc, and just a few hectares of Petit Verdot.
Why do you have herbs between each one line?
Well,
there are other vineyards where you only see sand all around.
Well, we have that herbs because we can
Protect the soil. You have a lot of different microbacteria and different flora and fauna, and you cover the soil. Here in Mendoza is a big desert. When you take out all the vegetable things, then you have a big erosion, and in an organic vineyard you try to live with different vegetables, and you need to be with the ants, with the different topo, we say it, and different animals,
rodents.
to convive here in the same vineyard.
Awesome. Well, thank you so very much.
Thank
Muchas
you.
gracias.
Pacheco Pereda, everyone. Beautiful, beautiful place. Right now they are not open to tourists, but hopefully one day, and if they are, this is a must stop. Look at the Andes at the back, beautiful, and the largest, possibly the largest vineyard in the world. I'm exaggerating. Okay, Hernan, thank you so very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Muchas gracias.